This video is presented by TorontoMandarinChinese.com. In this lesson, we're going to introduce numbers in Chinese. We're going to do three things. The first one, we'll learn how to see this group of numbers. Second, we're going to introduce the contexts, including numbers. The third, we're going to introduce the culture about numbers in China. Now let's have a look at the basic numbers first. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 百 hundred 千 thousand 万 10,000. The way on how to see a number between 0 and 9,999 in Chinese is the same as in English. For example, 3659 3, it means 3. 千 means 1,000. 6, 6. 百 100. 5, 5. 10, 10. It's kind of like the equivalency of ty in English. 9, 9. Let's practice a few more. The first number, 365. 365. Second one, 39. 39. Third one, 6,395. 6,395. Now let's have a look at some special rules for some groups of numbers in Chinese. Group 1, 11 to 19. Actually, the way on how we think this group of numbers is 10, 1 for 11, 10, 2 for 12, and it's the same way for the rest of the numbers in this group. For example, 16. In Chinese we say 16, 10, 6. Let's look at second group. The numbers counted by tens, 20, 30, 40 to 90. The way on how we think this group of numbers in Chinese is 210 for 20, 310 for 30, and it's the same way for the rest of the numbers in this group. For example, 60. In Chinese we say 60, 610. Let's look at group 3. 101, 1001, 608. The way on how we think the numbers with 0 or zeros in the middle in Chinese is using 0 to translate and. For example, 1001. In Chinese we say 1001. 1001. 1001. Group 4, 110, 1100, 8800. How can we take care of this group of numbers in Chinese? The way on how we see the numbers with 0 or zeros in the end in Chinese is the same as in English, but the last decimal unit in Chinese is always optional. For example, 1100. In Chinese we say 1100. The short way is 1001. You don't have to say 百. Another example, 110. In Chinese we say 110. The short way is 110. The last decimal 10, it's optional. You don't have to say it. Now let's look at numbers with 5 or more than 5 digits. For example, 56,789. How do we say this number in Chinese? 56,789. It means 10,000. Now let's look at another more challenging one. The number 1,081,000. In English, in Chinese we say 108万1000. Now let's look at the context, including numbers. First, phone numbers. For example, 13162622668. In Chinese is 13162622668. 1 is used to replace 一 to avoid the confusion between 一 and 七, 1 and 7. Second, price. For example, 280 bucks. In Chinese is 280块. 块 it means buck, dollar in spoken Chinese. Third, time. For example, 7:30. In Chinese is 7:30. 点 it means dot, the clock. Number 4, 7 days of a week. 星期一 literally it means week 1. It means Monday. 星期二 Tuesday. 星期三 Wednesday. 星期四 Thursday. 星期五 Friday. 星期六 Saturday. 星期天 Sunday. This is only an exception in this group. There's no number in this phrase. 星期 it means week. Number 5, date. For example, July 27th, 2010. In Chinese we say 2010年7月27号. 2010 is the year. We say the numbers individually. 年 it means year. 7 7th. 月 it means month. 27 27. 号 means the day of the month. Now let's talk about the culture about numbers in China. For the lucky numbers, the first one, 8, 8. It sounds like 发, which means make a fortune. 6, 6. It sounds like 溜, which means smoothly. People like to do business smoothly. 9, number 9. It sounds like 9. It means forever. That's another word in Chinese. So that's why on February 14th, people like to buy 9 roses instead of 12. Unlucky numbers. 4, number 4. It sounds like 死, which means death, to die. And 250, 250. It's a very special number in China, which means half-wit, idiot. After we finish introducing the new lesson, now let's do some listening practice. Please choose the numbers that you hear. The first one, 16. Second, 8:45. Third, 102块. Number 4, 星期五. Number 5, 2006年6月21号. Number 6, 879. Now let's check the answer. The first one that you heard, 16. The B is correct. Number 2, 8:45. A is correct. Number 3, 102块. B is correct. Number 4, 星期五. Friday. The C is correct. Number 5, 2006年6月21号. A is correct. Number 6, 879. B is correct. Thank you for watching this video.